How we doing, everybody? All right, part 4 of the Triple C of our crash course in clarity. And we're on page 342, and we just got done explaining how Hashem, therefore, making us like him, wanted to give us the ability to choose so that we can earn our Olam Haba and it can be something of our own. Now, we explained how this is how Adam was in his state in Gan Eden. Evil was not part of man, but an outside force he could easily avoid. This was represented by the serpent in the garden, which was not part of man's makeup, but something outside of him. Man could debate with this evil or ignore it, like any other outside force. Evil urges and compulsions were not part of him, as they are now, so that he cannot escape them no matter where he goes. Meaning, the way that Hashem made it for Adam back then is Hashem said, all right, look, I want to create this man with the ability to choose, so that when he chooses, that choice is what's going to earn for him, build for him, his reality of Olam Haba. It's that choice that we create the same way that Hashem himself is, like we saw before, one who creates, no restraint, nothing forcing. Hashem just goes and does. Similarly, I want man to do the same, but in order for that, he needs to have challenge and then to earn his connection to perfection and not going towards anything deficient. But why should I make it hard? Like, why should I make it difficult for him? You know what I'm going to do, Hashem said? I'm going to keep it outside of him. It'll be enough of a challenge. And all he has to do is just stay away from it. That's all he has to do. The way the Michtav Melio explains it is, imagine if there's a lollipop. And lollipops are delicious, but the lollipop's on the other side of a big, huge inferno, a huge fire. In order for you to get that lollipop, you have to put your hand through the fire to get the lollipop. Would you do that? Meaning, is the lollipop any less delicious? No. Lollipop's delicious. It's just, it doesn't make sense for me to burn my hand through a fire to go get the lollipop. That's as much sense as it made for Adam to do a sin. Meaning the sin looks yummy. It looks like something that he would like to, but to go against God, and it's just not me, it's something outside of me. Hashem put it outside of him. And his challenge was simply stay inside the perfection that you are. Don't go towards the deficient. Man was given one commandment, not to eat of the tree of knowledge of good and evil. In this tree, good and evil were intermingled. In such a manner, they could not be separated. Once man partook of this tree, the same became true of him. Meaning, if man will then go and take from the tree of knowledge, it's a da'at, no longer is it good in Adam, evil outside of Adam. No. That is the Eitz Hadat. Dat, we're going to see soon, is a mixture of things. He would now mix good and evil together as one, and then it would be a part of him. All right, something to think about, and we will continue next time. Have a great day.